Tnad Puliputhi ke Sarkar Jilla Lengba Swapnil Tembe, Director of School Education and Literacy Kalabu Por Biang banyak kren Halor ke Jingdawa Thung Pura bat ke Jing Siu Tulop yaki Nonghikai SSA ke Jilla haka khat santrik uya yong araja arpusan. Kini kerai kalami na kejinya lang ke besau bala khot da Tnad Puli yaki Nonghilam na ke Meghalaya SSA School Association, All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, bat ke Fourth Teachers Association haka sautrik leber araja arpusan. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor uswapnil tembe ulaong. Baka jingya lang kadai ban sngotho banya Halor ke jingdawa ki Nonghikai SSA watla kim patla ban ai rai bor ulaong ru baka jingdawa bakong sanjongki kadai ban kentiu tulap bat ban penlong yaki kum ki Nonghikai ki Pura.
So today we had the third round of meeting, and so this is basically with the SSA teachers which are there, and there are almost 12,000 of them in the system, where we have LP, UP and RMSA is also SSA only. So these negotiations are or talks rather are basically to understand the petitions which they have given, and to understand them in detail, and to just throw a light on what's happening elsewhere in the country, and so that everyone is well informed, and then so that we can move ahead. So these are just part of discussions. Nothing concrete has been finalized as of now, but these are part of discussions, and this is the way we want to engage with them to understand, and so that when the decision comes, so everyone is on the same page. So we are moving forward, but of course this is a complicated matter, so it requires time, and we will keep on pushing, and when some decision is there, we will notify them.
What are the key demands, major demands?
Key demands is for enhancement of their salary, and obviously that is their primary what they are demanding, but also there is something on regularization and absorption.
Nakaliang uba Aristotle C. Rambai Presiden ke MSS ASA Pat ulaong baka sarkar ke donjing temu ban penlong tang kwe yaki skul SSA bat ke skul sarkar kata bandan tang ke skul sarkar.
Te kajingmi nakani ka meeting menta ka singi kalong nakaliang jong commissioner secretary ula pentip hangi ba ka state government ka don ka plan menta ban merge ya yakini ki SSE school bat ki government school ka bamut bandon tang ka we ka kategori mendai shu bandon atli SSE bat government ne ka government ka plan jong ka government kalong bandon be tang ka we ka kategori bat kata kalong ka government. Te ila pentip lo shangi ba la shai kin sadon ka meeting bat kini ki SDSEO jong baro ki district akabakin sia kren bat nakaliang jong ka department kan aero ka instruction yaki bakin collect yaki data na baro kini ki SSA school hakabai dei bat ki documents jong ki school SSA bat ki dei ban pendep ya kani ban pha shak education department hapo jong khasantrik jong bunai April hajar arpo san kata kadai ka ba number 1. Number 2, nakaliang jong u commissioner and secretary ula pentip hangi baka education department kala de penkre ya ka draft notification nak benta ban penmi hakni kandidat sengi ki bansawan hakabai dei bat ka validity jong ka 18 months DLED course kepala conduct daka NIOS kumba PTB hakni ki snem last year kala mi kawe ka ruling jong ka Supreme Court baka ong baki 18 months DLED course ibala conduct dak NIS kimlong valid ban apply hagi government post te dang ha u December arhajar ar phusau pat lami sakawe ka judgment jong ka Supreme Court ka baong ba kilalong eligible te based on this judgment jong ka Supreme Court ka bala penmi ha ka public jong na December arhajar phusau nakaliang jong ka NCTE kala pha ya ka shiti sha baro ki secretary jong ka education jong ki state baro ha Meghalaya baro ha ka ri India kentup ya ka state Meghalaya ha ka arpanyotrik jong na January arja pusan ha ka bala ong yaki baka state government kin penmi ya ka notification ban notify baka ne ka 18 months DLED course bak conduct da ka NIOS kalong valid bakin apply hakino ki government post ki balai lani haki ni ki government aided school ki post ki balai choki Nonghikai kata kali number 2. Number 3 pat nakaliang jong commissioner secretary ula pentip hangi ba ula panpor mau hadu khasantrik jong ubnai April jong mentau snem hakabai dei bat ban wanra ya ka solution nak menta ka enhancement jong ka Tulop jong ki Nonghikai SSA bat ngile kren menne ba nakaliang jongi ngila prefer bala dok bala baka government kan yang ida ka pay scale tinakaliang jongu ulong yang menta 4 la panong AA angin up hadu ka khatsantrik jong benai April ahaja posan te ngin sashim ya karai langin move saka government dakani ka ad hoc enhancement lani daka pay scale enhancement tena kali yang jungi baru ahi ki Ïathir association mentaka sengi ila dep krenshai hi bangi prefer ya ka pay scale haka bai dai batka enhancement jungi Nonghikai SSA contrib yau neu food teachers ya ka bai dai batka rationalization Commissioner Secretary ulah penting bangi ba nakali yang jong ka state government kala sedang ya ka ne ka proses hakini ki benai ki balade ma tinging yong ba kumba kalong menta ka baro ki school kila sedang menta kila pli na do public jong benai February tingila kerpa dia ke sorkar bahkan penkeluai kat bala hak bai dai batkan ka rationalization tingila airu ya ke suggestion ban merge lani ban shift ya gitu Nonghikai haki school ki ba marjan hapo jong ka to ka CRC kani ka cluster resource center ke bangyong tidak ada amdon ki school hang tu tingila ban shift haki nearby ICRC tina kaliang jong commissioner secretary ru ulas ya hab ya kane
Ubak Peter Terniang Presiden ka AMSSASTA ulaong baka jingyalang kalong ka basay so namar baka Tnad puli puthi kala pentip baka sarkar kala shashkor ya ki jingdawa jongki but ans ai rai haka khat santri guya yong araja arpusan
Tie ka jingya kendu ka jongi pat commissioner secretary wingkat SPD kalong ka bas Tnad mat kalong ka bas iso Tie hakani kapur ka pementa nagaling jonga uwi na kinong tri ki barige ki unong yalam barige jonga Joki Nonghikai, aku akan tenang, aku akan pentip syaki Nonghikai baru kau baka hakamedi buat ke enhancement ke bah nagaling jogi Nonghikai SSA ngiladawa, ke office hak jinglam jong commissioner secretary jongi ulah kerpat yangi bah minai pur hadu ke kasan trek jong April arajar pusan bakin sashim ya kasinjam ke bakhamha lakin ayangi ke enhancement ka adok enhancement lani kin ayangi da ka skill kata ka diga jukular ha ka diga meeting rengkat baru ko Nonghikai ki bedon lang ha ka diga meeting ka jingwan pat ka dikot kepan na ka diga ki officer jong ka education department
Ubak Frederick L. Tongkar, Secretary ke Food Teachers Association ulaong, bana ke jingyalang, lasyam baki don bun bak ki jing kenrom kenram, haka jing penyat yaki Nonghikai SSA but Food Teachers, haka baka Tnad puli puthi ke syempor ban penbet yaki jing dawa jongki.
Ala lai South League meeting adu menta ka singi ni lalap ni syam do chibun ki kenrom keram Halor jong ki Nonghikai. Tingim sung bangsu ya kane ka jing kenrom keram man kapor, tingi sung Tnad pade banom kren ya kajo si kajo mo. Bansu om tang si kentian ba nakaliang jongi ni kwa si syam naliang government kebala shim initiative ikane pementa ba kala mod ban penbaik iki kendup keram jongi Nonghikai ban ngelio ngoro ba nakaliang jong ke government they are trying their level best ban solving ini problem kenam begini problems kinumi show nang desa keman tadem nak kata daw ngi kerpat hiru na government bakan le as soon as possible ban ngelio jingtip guru ba they will do it as soon as possible and solving the problem na kabenta ki kamjung Nonghikai.
Habatin pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya